Ghetto-fied, man.
It's actually the back valve stem. They used some silicone to kind of cover it. Like air was still coming through.
Yeah, let me put it in the water. Let me double check. That's it? Okay, no, we got a different problem.
I might have to go with that one. Wide body right quick.
You got what you can do? Oh,
Take
thanks.
them off, slap them on mine.
Okay. Revelations, I'm ready for you.
Slap them on mine.
No, man.
Take him over here to Genesis, let him hook it up. Come on, man. It only cost me $10,000 to get it on.
Yeah.
You know
Oh, to get it on?
Without the wrap.
Oh, without it?
Without the wrap.
Right. Genesis, they're gonna, you know, you're gonna get an extra 5 on top of that.
Oh, yeah. Man.
Price of the kit. That's just to buy the kit.
You know what I'm talking? Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that.
What? Oh. Oh, nice.
Oh, that's how you partner.
Yeah, that's how I came in today, man. Yeah, look. You shouldn't be here long. Let's go see what they're talking about. Yeah, I have to fill it up.
Gotcha.
Brand new tire.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
And I was like,
back
is
there.
this? Oh, I didn't see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got it. This one's the wide body kit though. He's jealous.
Oh, yeah. You should be, man.
You do putting another mod on your car or something?
Just admiring my Trackhawk.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
Just admiring. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Something wrong with that, man.
No, it's to be admired at, honestly.
Yeah. Get that supercharged on the side. Might leave the Trackhawk black. Tire stickers ghetto-fied, man. Ghetto-fied, man. Because, you know, I'm just going to have that until I get your wheels.
Oh, the AGs? Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Biting. You.
Bite.
He's biting.
Bite.
Biden.
Not Biden, B-I-D-E-N, but B-I-T-I-N.
You ready to screw up your tires with tire stickers?
Oh, yeah.
That's what you're doing?
Well, we got to get some more when I get the new wheels.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
New wheels gonna be all chrome red. He got his too, but it's he got to get a tire fill. Would 15s work in this?
Yeah, you have a lot of room. You can put 15s.
What? Because I was reading like 15s usually just good for enclosures, but would it be considered enclosed if it's in the box?
It has to be, yeah, it has to be enclosed.
Right, yeah.
There's like ported boxes and sealed boxes.
Right, exactly.
They give a different sound, but
I just never had no 15s
okay.
in my life. I always had 12s.
We could do 15s. It'll definitely sound way louder than the Camaro.
Yeah?
For sure.
Oh, Jesus.
Is that Camaro crazy?
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, for sure. We could do like a nice custom box.
Mm-hmm. So how far out do you think the box would come? Like right here?
Right around there.
So what about the 12s?
The 12s we can use like the pre-made boxes if you like.
How far would that come out?
It's something like this. Approximately.
I might go with 12.
Okay.
Cause I want some space just in case, you know, I gotta travel with the kids or something like that.
Quick disconnect if you need it.
Yeah, I do.
Remove it.
Yeah, I want that because, you know, I'm gonna go smoke him at the track. So I want to take that box out, do a couple of seat deletes, and get me some carbon fiber wheels, so they be light like the Mustang.
They'll be ugly as
You know
too.
what I'm saying?
Hey, whatever, smoke me. My will look harder.
Huh?
My is gonna look harder, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but I got
Smoke
bragging
me.
rights.
Oh, I got bragging rights for how good it looks.
I have bragging rights.
But you know, it's all.
You got smoked at the track. It's
See,
pretty. It's pretty.
Yeah. But I mean, I gotta give it to you because that's facts. If you smoke me, but what it looks like is just a matter of taste.
You know what this guy talking about, Henry? I sure does.
I'm a philosopher. I'm a philosopher, dog.
Yeah, so we probably go with 212s. Yeah, let me know a date for the 212s. I gotta have music in
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
What are you getting done here today?
Just going to the doctor. I need a primary, so I gotta get a primary to see another doctor to see another doctor.
Right.
That's how it works, man. So y'all stay healthy, eat healthy, hey, be healthy. That's the key in life, man. Don't eat what everybody else eat. Whatever they eat the opposite. You know what I'm talking about? That's the secret, man. They eating crappy food, you eat salad. Don't fall into the trap, man.
Right.
Don't fall with the matrix.
Oh.
You eat bad food, your health go down. You know what I'm talking about?
You're giving
Your
a lot
power
of
level,
game.
like a video game. You know what I mean? Your power go down. You see what I'm talking about? I'm trying to let them know, man.
It's a lot of game, man.
I didn't think it would happen to me. But I didn't have no choice but to eat bad. When I had a choice to eat good, that's when I got out of prison, I did. Everybody talk about mukbangs. We did that once a week. I wouldn't even eat all this when I was doing mukbangs. Now we're doing healthy mukbangs.
That's right.
So, oh yeah, they masters up
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Put on your mask.
Watch out, bots. Get out the way, bots. Until you do like this and get that chip out. Hey, I'm trying to reach it. That chip out, you.
Straight up, dog. This is insane, man.
Yeah, it is.
Look at this work, man. This is work. Reflections. Look at this work, man. All these other cars look so basic, bro.
Oh, yeah.
So basic.
Everything.
Damn, look at these bad boys,
Yeah,
man.
you like that?
Holy
Yeah.
Yeah, I got them. I'm biting. I'm getting a wide body kit. That motherfucking wrap, just a different color.
man.
Yeah, it's sick,
Yeah,
bro.
this motherfucker definitely worth the wait, huh?
Yeah, now it is. You know what I
Definitely
mean? Now
Now it is.
Yeah.
What you got?
it wasn't when I was waiting. Yeah.
Bro, nah, this motherfucker sick, dog.
Yeah, it is.
Did
Yeah,
it-
we about to force Juju hand. Juju go have to cop something new now.
They did it.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, these motherfuckers, man.
We getting the music put in next week.
His guys beat, no?
No,
both
no.
cars got cool systems. The Cardone.
Okay.
Ain't yours Cardone too?
I think so. I don't. I'll check it.
So I'm gonna have him ship the rest of my emblems. You could put them on, huh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like the
Yeah, that's
Trackhawk right there and supercharged on the side.
So wide body coming up?
Oh yeah, I gotta do the wide body. I had to see it in person.
Yeah,
I thought it was too much at first seeing pictures.
Yeah.
So they put it underwater, and it's actually the back valve stem. They use some silicone to kind of cover it.
Okay.
But
On that one?
yeah, I think back there.
Okay.
I need to contact the tire manufacturer or something. However you get the valve stem, I don't know. They couldn't fix it over there.
Camaro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Those you should be able to just tighten though. They said it was this one, huh? This valve stem?
Let me see it. Is there another one? No, it's this one.
Oh, this one's leaking?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think they use silicone there. Can you see if that is?
Oh, the air coming through that.
Yeah. So
So
even
they put beats either, okay.
did that it would like be coming through another one. I think. Is that weird? Like air was still coming through.
Yeah, let me put it in the water. Let me double check.
Okay.
If it's that one, that's AG. Cause that one comes with the wheel. Like 22 and up always got 2 valve stems. Sometimes because they got silicone,
So 2-piece the best to get, right? You said.
2 or 3.
Oh,
Well,
2 or 3.
on 2 or 3 or anything like new that's 22 and above,
Uh-huh.
they always have two valve stems.
Oh, okay.
For one reason is because the way that the sensors are made on modern cars, if you were to put it over here and you get a flat tire, because the sensor sits straight, it'll break, right? It needs to be at an angle. Right here, the sensor is flat. right? So if you get a flat tire, for example, and you have to roll it flat, it won't break because it's flat against the wheel.
Okay.
Rather than this way, it'll be poking out like this. Over here, it's like against the wheel. So that's one reason they do it. The second reason, on multi-piece wheels, when you're mounting them, the wheel can get stuck where the silicone's at in the middle. So sometimes you need more than one air pressure to get the seats.
Me neither in person.
Okay, no, we got a different problem.
What's the problem?
Okay, so it's leaking from the screw itself. It's not from the valve stem. You see this screw right here?
Yeah.
Okay, so on 3-piece wheels, these are all tightened and there's silicone in the middle. So either a couple things. I don't think it came like that from the factory, but probably whoever mounted them probably had a hard time. And they might have ripped the silicone a little bit. Long story short, the tire has to come off and you gotta re-silicone the wheel. See all those little bubbles? But no, it's definitely not the valve stem.
Oh, it's not the valve stem. Okay.
Okay, so you got another one right there. Tyson.
Oh, I got 2?
You see it leaking from this side too? A little bit bigger bubbles.
Oh yeah.
This comes screwed, but there's silicone, right? Like a thin piece of silicone in the middle. And so when you're mounting, the tires usually get stuck on that silicone, and it's how you get them off, how you lube them up. Everybody has like their own way of doing it. I have my own way of doing it, right? To get them to slide on when we do 3-piece wheels. But yeah, it's definitely a possibility of that. Could be the manufacturer. I mean, we weren't there, so it's hard to say. One way or another, it has to get re-silicone.
Yeah.
For me to rip it off and redo it, I don't know, like a day or two to dry. Like even if I silicone it today, silicone still needs like at least a day to dry, at least. For you to even mount back onto like fresh silicone.
We got Ball out here. She keeps from.
Oh, is that
Ball
right?
out?
Yeah.
So I assumed it was them because they drive like super high-end
Oh
cars
yeah.
too.
We talked to him. We go collab probably this week or next week.
Yeah, he'll be in a bit.
I've done a pink on a white and it looked kind of like settled.
Right.
The white just
Yeah.
Basic, right?
Yeah, I was on you guys' Instagram today, and I was just looking through all the cars. Everything with white hit.
Yeah, I mean, it just aesthetically looks perfect with these offset, brighter
But
colors.
I mean, the yellow hit hard too, like on the Rango and. Let's see.
Yeah, it's a little.
Yeah, it's like how all the other ones.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a.
More orange. Huh?
Yeah, this is more of like fire station yellow, and this is more of a basic yellow. Let me show you the custom color. See if you might want to go with that. I know how you feel about it, but let's just take a look.
But
at
they only last how long?
I think 50,000 miles.
Oh, they last that long?
Yeah, they last so long. They last so
Oh,
long.
you said temporary. I thought like a week or
Yeah,
something.
no, we call them temporary because technically they are temporary.
Yeah. Oh, and this is the one you showed me, huh?
Yeah. And then I got highlighter yellow.
I think that's like fluorescent.
Yeah.
Because this is more of a canary yellow, and this is copper yellow, or copperish yellow.
Let's see which one it match with the.
Yo, check out this pink though, dude.
That's
like
what I
that.
was saying, that pink
Yeah,
will
that
match
actually
your
might
car.
work. Yeah.
Yeah,
Take
this
a look at
closer
it.
than the one you showed me.
Well, they're all a little off.
Yeah, I would probably go with this one.
Yeah, it's more of that canary yellow shit.
If I wanted to do the red stripping with this on top of it, how y'all do
yeah,
the 3D?
we can do that overlapping thing.
Right.
The one on top of the 3D is what we call it. Yeah,
But I think I'm gonna just. So I was looking at my Durango when you guys just had Hellcat.
Yeah.
That was sicker than the second one.
Yeah.
So I think I'm just gonna put Trackhawk on, the bottom and top.
Yeah, it's super close. Let me see. That's super close. Yeah.
I might have to go with that one.
Yeah, I can barely tell on camera.
Well,
Yeah, I'd go with that.
I could barely tell in person. Hyphy Whitey, what you about to do, boy?
Oh shoot. We got to go pick up another protection. We got to get some protection.
Oh, Oh, cause you in this? That's why you need protection.
Yeah, and I you know, I'm kind of the caretaker, and I look after a celebrity.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh okay.
Yeah. So
let me check out the ride, man.
Yeah. What do you think of it?
Huh?
What you think of this?
Best vehicle ever
That's some good camera
I've
work
ever
right
seen.
there.
You see what I'm saying?
Damn, you got some good camera work.
Yeah, I get down, bro. Way better than you.
See, this is a nice little wide body kit. You know,
Way
only
better
takes
than you.
you know 8 months to get. You know what I mean?
Well, I'm gonna force their hand.
Force it.
Ship mine now for free.
Damn.
You know what I'm talking about,
That's what I'm talking about.
It's pretty like mine, boy.
So what does the internet think this is? Ooh, this feels.
And water.
That's the one you wanted, right?
Yeah, this feels good, dog.
Yeah.
Damn. Because the other one had a much smaller handle.
Smaller grip, yeah.
Yeah, but this is perfect, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I really like this, dude.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.